Hey guys, welcome back. It is week 24 and we are going to do my weekly planning and also what I'm going to eat for the week. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Trying to turn off my printer. Okay, so this week, let's remember Corona. So I get my fancy phone. Alright, that's it for the week planning. So let's get planning for food. Alright, so here is week 24. So last week we did our pantry, so everything should be the same. There was a few things I did not do, which it was the rotini pasta and something chicken, and I think the kibasi. Actually, the sloppy joe I didn't do either. We winged it. Meaning we either ate leftovers or I just cooked some wings and just ate that. So this stuff is still available. So what do we want to do? We can continue with the same stuff. So this is Sunday. This is Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. So today is Sunday. Not sure if I'm gonna do. I've been like avoiding the pasta, so because obviously we're trying to not eat any carbs, so we are avoiding the pasta. So I am going to bring over the stuff from here to here. Let's do this side first. Alright, so from here, we did do the steak, we did do the ham. I'm gonna avoid that for now. Let's see. So, today's Sunday, I'm gonna do the pork chops. I want to say there should be the 4 packs of pork chops. So we're gonna take out the pork chops. I'm gonna take out the top sirloin. We'll do top sirloin, slow cooked. And this is gonna be with the pepperoncini and I think one of the gravy mix. Ground beef. Let's do next Saturday. Next Saturday, I think it's Zanet's house, but we'll do Sloppy Joe. Because we didn't do the Sloppy Joe. I'll do the half meatballs. And then this is chicken and chicken. Wait, Monday is KH. Thursday and Friday. Alright, so chicken, Friday. Could do kabasi. Where the hot dog? Eat that open. So chicken, asparagus, mash, potato. Then we'll do sirloin, green beans, potato, and cauliflower. That's my guess. This one too. Tuscan chicken, maybe. Maybe Tuscan chicken. That would be choke. Maybe. Alright, that's it. So today I'm gonna pull out the pork chops. We're gonna do the cauliflower mashed potatoes with asparagus. Tomorrow is some kind of chicken. I just don't know what kind, just chicken. Then I have the top sirloin slow cooked with the pepperoncinis, some kind of potato for Mr. Campbell, and green beans. I'm gonna do Wednesday Tuscan chicken, not sure with what yet. Then I'm gonna do the half meatballs with half rice, half cauliflower rice. Friday is still open, not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And then Saturday I'm gonna do the sloppy joe with the half rice, half cauliflower rice, because I got 2 of the cauliflower rice. So I figured if I mix it in a little bit, maybe it'll work better. I don't know. It's kind of hard because I'm doing the keto carnivore diet, but I'm trying to do more carnivore than keto so I can lay off the carbs. But it's kind of hard to do that when everybody else wants carbs. So I'm trying to convince Campbell to go on the carnivore diet with me, but he seems miserable when he's hungry. I did start him today with a big breakfast, and so far he's been doing good. I'm about to make him some lunch, so when he's done, he can come and eat and forget about the fact that, you know, I actually just been trying to feed him meat. So this is for week 24. I will try to remember to take pictures or do some kind of video of what I ate for week 24. I sort of skipped week 23 because I'm still trying to do this keto carnivore, and it seems like I'm having the same thing over and over again, so it's kind of redundant. But that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.